This ever happened to you or one of your operators? Did you see it? Take another look. There, a sprayer rolling over crop. It happens, but it doesn't have to. Say hello to AutoTrac Vision 2.0. Now offered as a factory-installed option on John Deere sprayers and as a field install kit for both John Deere and Hagie sprayers. AutoTrac Vision 2.0 is an improved visual system that keeps your sprayer tires perfectly centered in every row. It starts with an advanced stereo camera with improved depth perception that can sense 4-inch crops 33% earlier than previous systems. And an undercarriage mono camera gives you real-time views of every pass, all of which seamlessly flows into your G5 display. Best of all, it works at speeds up to 22 miles an hour. Slopes or inclines? Yep, that's not a problem. And neither are tight curves. Just calibrate once and you're ready for less crop damage, faster sprays to cover more acres, and less stress, especially for inexperienced operators. Ready to stop rolling over crops? Then roll into a dealer near you and ask them about AutoTrac Vision 2.0, only from John Deere.